Go above, you'll be fine. Or the other door.
Can I? You won't get any.
Oh, just be careful on that thing you stood on. the tripod's not very...
Like it was cool when it flips upside down then. My arm hurting.
About another 8 hours, so if you're alright standing there.
Just standing there.
Yeah, there you are.